YouTube subscription not showing up. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first step is to make sure you have the latest version of YouTube. To do so, head over to your Play Store and then go to search bar. After that, simply search for YouTube. And then if there is an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of YouTube. Next step, head over to your settings, then go to apps, find YouTube, and then go to its storage section. Then tap on clear data and clear cache. The next step is to go to your settings, go to your connections, and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Or simply go to more settings, or you can just reset your Wi-Fi and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.